Hello everyone, I'm Peiki, the Foreign Trade Sales Manager of Jiangsu Zhexue. Today, I will take you straight to the production site of our condensing unit. Our factory covers an area of over 26,000 square meters. With a professional team of more than 100 people. We mainly sell a full range of refrigeration equipment, including parallel units, CO2 refrigeration units, water chillers, etc., to meet the diverse needs of various customers in one stop. Look at the camera. Behind me is the production line. The ammonia system micron oven screw units are being produced. They are all orders exported overseas. Equipped with Schneider variable frequency starting cabinets. They feature stable start-stop with high energy efficiency, further enhancing the operational stability of the equipment. The 6 Fresco screw water-cooled single units are fully equipped with copper tube condensers, titanium tube evaporators, PLC control systems, and Danfoss core components. They are specially customized for an ice cream factory, stable and durable. They are now finished and ready for shipment. Before delivery, each piece of equipment undergoes strict commissioning and precise inspection. We never cut corners. With our pursuit of excellence in quality, we have won consistent recognition from customers in China and abroad. If you are interested, please contact us immediately. Subscribe me to discover more high-quality coaching equipment.